If you're planning to buy a home, one of the very first steps you'll hear about is pre-approval. But what exactly does it mean? Why does it matter? And how do you actually get pre-approved without drowning in paperwork and phone calls? The truth is, getting pre-approved for a mortgage doesn't have to be complicated if you know the steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the process, step by step, so you can start your home buying journey with confidence. Pre-approval is more than just a piece of paper. It's your key to the housing market. It tells you how much home you can afford, what kind of loan you qualify for, and it shows sellers you're serious. Without pre-approval, you risk wasting time on homes that are out of reach, or worse, losing out to another buyer who's already prepared. In today's market, sellers want certainty, and a pre-approval letter gives you that edge. Step 1. Check your credit. The very first step in getting pre-approved is to check your credit. Your credit score plays a huge role in what kind of loan you qualify for and the interest rate you'll pay. Think of it this way. A higher credit score often means a lower monthly payment. For example, the difference between a 650 score and a 750 score could be tens of thousands of dollars in savings over the life of your loan. If your credit needs work, don't panic. Paying down debt, fixing errors on your report, or even working with credit restoration services can all help. And at Free Mortgage Search, we provide resources to guide you through that process. Step 2. Gather your documents. Next, you'll need to gather a few important documents. Lenders want to know your financial picture, so they'll usually ask for pay stubs or proof of income, tax returns and W-2s, bank statements, proof of any assets or savings, and information about debts like credit cards or loans. It might sound like a lot, but having these ready up front makes the process much smoother. And if you're using Free Mortgage Search, we'll let you know exactly what's needed so you're never left guessing. Step 3. Understand your budget. Before applying, take a good look at your budget. How much are you comfortable paying each month? Remember, your mortgage isn't just principal and interest. You'll also have to budget for taxes, homeowner's insurance, and possibly HOA fees. A common rule is the 28-36 rule. No more than 28% of your gross income should go to housing, and no more than 36% to all debts combined. But every situation is different, so be realistic about what works for you. The beauty of Free Mortgage Search is that you can explore loan options tailored to your budget, so you see what's actually affordable. Step 4. Compare lenders. Don't skip this. Here's where many first-time buyers go wrong. They talk to one lender, get one quote, and stop there. But not all lenders are created equal. Rates, fees, and terms can vary widely. Even a difference of 0.5% on your interest rate can save you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. That's why comparing is non-negotiable. With Free Mortgage Search, you don't have to waste weeks calling around. You can compare multiple options in one place, side by side, with full transparency on fees. Step 5. Submit your application. Once you've chosen the lender that's right for you, it's time to apply. You'll submit your documents, answer some questions about your financial situation, and let the lender review everything. If you're approved, they'll issue a pre-approval letter. This letter tells you exactly how much you're qualified to borrow, and it's what you'll show to sellers and real estate agents when you make an offer. Through Free Mortgage Search, this process is streamlined. No confusing back and forth, no hidden surprises, just a clear path to pre-approval. Step 6. Avoid new debt. Here's a tip most people don't know. Once you're pre-approved, avoid making big financial moves until you close on your home. Don't open new credit cards, don't finance a new car, and don't take on new loans. Any of these could change your debt-to-income ratio and put your pre-approval at risk. Think of pre-approval as a snapshot of your financial health. Keep things steady until your home purchase is finalized. Let's take James, a first-time buyer. He skipped pre-approval and went house hunting right away. After weeks of searching, he found his dream home. But when he applied for financing, he discovered he couldn't actually afford it. Not only did he lose the house, but he also wasted time and energy on properties that were never within his reach. Contrast that with Anna, who started with Free Mortgage Search. Within minutes, she was pre-approved and knew her exact budget. When she found the right home, her pre-approval letter gave her the confidence to make a strong offer. And the seller accepted. That's the difference pre-approval makes. Getting pre-approved is one of the smartest moves you can make as a home buyer. It gives you clarity, confidence, and credibility. And with Free Mortgage Search, the process is easier than ever. Visit freemortgagesearch.com today to get started. In just a few minutes, you can see what you qualify for, compare loan options, and get your pre-approval letter without the stress, without the hidden fees. Buying a home doesn't have to be complicated. Start with pre-approval, and you'll be ready to shop with confidence. Don't settle. Don't overpay. Search smart. Search free. Subscribe for weekly videos on mortgages, real estate, and home buying tips.